सर मिटिंगेन कितें डिस्कस जालें?
मिटिंगेक तेमी तेंगेलो गव्हर्मेंटालो अजेंडा हाडलो which I believe the speaker, the custodian of the house, has today proved that the working of this house is done on the pretext or on the text of the Honorable Chief Minister. आज दूख जाता कित्याक जेन्ना BAC मिटिंगेक जो अजेंडा आशिल्लो हेजेर आमी जायती चर्चा केली at the start, and we put in our views, the opposition MLAs put in their views, saying that opposition needs to get a chance with regards to LAQ questions. पहिले LAQंत आमी सांगले की जी प्रथा आहली एक ऑपोजिशनाचे आनी एक रुलिंगाचे. Why is this not taken? Why आज चोयल्यार 8 दीस जाले questions are coming mostly of the ruling, and question and hour जेन्ना हे LAQ answer जावपाक जाय, that it is basically curtailing the rights of the opposition. Dusro, calling attention, we proposed that 3 calling attentions should be given, out of which 2 should be given to the opposition. Tingai, the speaker did not support us, did not support the opposition. Several issues with regarding to suspension of rules. आज under 258, rule number 258, 3 days minimum for reply to the budget. Anik, under 259, it is 15 days reply to the demands. So minimum 18 days जावपाक जाय. Last time honorable speakeran सांगलो तुमकां 21 दिसा सेशन आसतो मो. लास्ट सेशन शॉर्ट आशिल्लें आनी ह्या हावजान 28 दिसा पासून सेशन जालो आहा. So today if you look, I'm not indulging into any theatrics. This is murder of democracy. When I say murder of democracy, opposition has to play a critical role, provided they give us the opportunity. Today, if you look out of the questions of 27, most of the questions are put by the ruling party. This seems to be a strategy to make sure that our questions are not taken. एक प्रथा हल्ली which was followed in the last monsoon session की एक opposition question, एक ruling question. So हुई ना हुई म्हाका दिसता this is a dark day. The way they are scared of the corruption, they're scared of all the issues आज relating to the finance, relating to unemployment, relating to murders, rapes, corruption. They are scared of facing the opposition. It is a sorry state of affairs. Anik म्हाका दिसता you can see today dictatorship happening in Goa. It seems like an undeclared emergency. They talk about emergency 50 years ago. आमी आज गोंयभर जे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन जेन्ना आमी वेता थिंगा आमचो जो फीडबॅक लोकांलो मेळटा, there seems to be undeclared emergency on all our basic rights, on our freedom of speech, on basic necessities of water, electricity, jobs. And so आज undeclared emergency is in the state of Goa day in day out as we speak. सगळे crimes, murders, rapes हे वाडलेले आसा. हांकां पडोंक ना, ह्या सरकाराक पडोंक ना. And speaker म्हाका दिसता घाईघाईन आसा मंत्री जावपाक. I don't know whether today when he is at the custodian of the house he has to तेगेली duty, he has to make sure that we get an opportunity. If we don't get an opportunity to speak, what is the use of this session? What are the for needs and forums? We get an opportunity to question and answer through 0 hour, through calling attention, through demand. They tingai to time temi getla ki to give 20 minutes for each party. Can you imagine? Why they are in a hurry to go back? Why they are in a hurry to go back? 20 minutes per party is what they have decided. This is a mockery. Absolutely never in the history of Goa Legislative Assembly has been such decisions have been taken. So all the opposition MLAs, we walked out because the speaker was adamant to stick to the decision that has been given by the BJP to him. This is the BJP's decision to him. There is no law and order, and Amka, when he has to be the custodian of the house today, it is absolutely sad that such days have to be seen in a democracy. If we are not going to raise our voices here, then where do we raise? But systematically, the Bharatiya Janata Party is trying. First, they curtailed the session. Now they are curtailing our rights to speak as well. So why we are putting it to the press? Because magi dusre bhashi news zata. You all have to also. You all are the fourth pillar of democracy. I hope you all highlight it in such a way. Today, it is a dark day and it is a murder of democracy.